Hey everyone, my name is David Quon, Vice President of Gustin Quon, and I'm here right now with one of our clients.
Dave Pollock, owner of Well Refined Renovations here in Winnipeg.
Awesome. How long have you been a client with us, Dave?
A little over 2 years now.
Great. And, can you tell me a little bit about the experience of working with us? What kind of results we got you over the last 12 months?
Yeah, the results has actually been phenomenal. The second year now, we've actually generated extra $363,000 in extra income, which is about 600% return on our investment. So we've been extremely happy. Our business has definitely been growing since we've been using your services.
Excellent. And kind of maybe talk about the experience of working with us. What has it been like working with our team members here to help your business grow?
It's been great. The guys have been really good. Usually when I have an issue or something, they get on it right away. They've done a really nice job with the website. They've added things onto our website, always in a very professional manner. Jump on it quickly for us, any issues, and the service has been great.
Awesome. Well, thanks a lot, Dave. It's great working with you.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay.